So, good evening, sir. My name is Arnel T. Scobio uh, from this project O3, the progress of our CIM2. So before that, allow me to introduce my co-member, Justin, Brigondo, Chloe, and also Rodriguez. So I click the nicknames. So as you can see, sir, this is the flows of our program. So before that, allow me to run this program, sir. Run file. So we need to wait for a while. So as you can see, sir, this is the name of our CRM2, Customer Service Management, username, password, show password, login, exit. So as you can see, sir, there's we are adding some design. So we need to put the correct username. Password. Show password. So as you can see, sir, login successful. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, we're adding some design. This is the design of we made. So we need to click new complaint. So I need to put my name, Arnel, also address, Tagulwan, Miss Or, contact number, 1, email, Arnel, mail, age, 22, ID 1, complaint update, save. So as you can see, sir, complaint registered. So as you can see, sir, this is makikita mo sa dashboard yung in-input namin na name, address, contact number, email, gender, age. So I need to click this and update and feedback. So I need to put ID 1, complaint update, and also feedback update. So click save, complaint update. So as you can see, sir, sa pagkikita mo sa dashboard sa complaint, hindi na po yan ma-edit or something na ilagay mo. So I need to new complaint sa another example. So I put name of Rayos, address Villanueva, Nueva, contact number 09 5 6 7 0 8 9 9. Email Rayos 123 Yahoo. Gmail. Age 20. Female. ID 1. Complaint successful. All saved. Complaint registered. So as you can see, sir, makikita mo yun sa dashboard. Yung ginawa naming another example. So you need to click update and feedback. So ID. So example 1. And successful. Successful. Complain. Feedback successful also. Feedback successful. So, complaint update. Sa sequence, sir, nakikita nyo yung example namin na ginawa sa dashboard. So, name, address, contact number, email, gender, age, complaint, feedback, and also ID. So, I need to click this one. So, makikita mo yung delete complaint. So, yes. I usually want to remove yes. So, I need to remove yes. So, as you can see, sir, makikita mo yung example sa dashboard na na-delete yun, yung isa. Then, so ito, click X. So, as you can see, this is the design of our CRM2. This is the program that we make. And so this is the program that we use. So as you can see, sir. So name. So as you can see, sir, makikita mo yung register form na ginawa namin. Meron din design. Name, address, contact number, email, gender, male, age, ID name, complaint, feedback. So, punta tayo sa program na ginawa namin. So, dito sir, makikita mo yung flows ng aming ginawa na program or code na ginawa namin. So, dito yung makikita sir. So, ito yung ginawa namin. And so, this is the form na ginawa namin sir. Sa name, address, contact number, email, gender, male, age, ID, complaint, save, and cancel. Sa source, punta tayo sa source para makita natin yung program na ginawa namin. So, nandito sir. Ito po yung flows na ginawa namin. Makikita mo sa screen. So, ito yun sir. So, as you can see sir, ito po yung CRM. Ito po yung CRM2 na ginawa namin sir. So, this is the progress of our CRM2. And hopefully sir, thank you for this evening and God bless sir.